on this video, we can look at this Hompres silk pillowcase that is electric. 45.6. Again, when you lie down, you can feel the heat radiating about 2 inches off. Like right here, I can feel the heat. It fits queen size pillows. It comes in black, comes in white, and then comes in gray. So we got this electric heated pillowcase. Smooth, senseless, and soft. So this looks very similar to a heating blanket where you plug it in. So it is made of silk. It fits 20 by 30 queen pillowcases, and it comes in 3 different colors. This is an ivory white. It also comes with gray, and it comes in black. Now the reason that I really wanted this one is because our current pillowcases and our comforter, duvet cover, have this edging. So the charger, you plug into a regular socket. It's a USB-C plug. You connect this to the pillowcase and you're good to go. So the outside is silk. We have our pillow. We already put that in. It is 20 by 30 inches. It's a nice tight fit. There's a zipper on the end here. Now the electric part is right up here. You can kind of see it right here. These are the elements. To turn it on, you plug a USB-C cable, so this can be powered off of a power bank, and right away you're going to see a purple button, and then it's going to turn to red. You can circle through the different functions. So your white is your coolest, meaning 40 degrees Celsius, and you've got your orange is 45, and then finally you've got your red, which is 50. This is good for to soothe your neck, if you have any pains, just to relax you. It's got a built-in 30-minute timer, which is good. So anytime you set any of the modes, it's going to turn off within 30 minutes. It operates on a USB-C, so you can plug this into a power bank, or they provided you with a USB-C to AC adapter cable. All right, so within 10 seconds, you're going to start to feel the heat, and I can feel it right here under my neck. Now we are on the red, which is by default the hottest element, but we can switch it between orange, white, or red. Now, of course, like I said, red is probably the one that you want, and you want to hike it up a little higher. And even if your neck is actually not touching the full pillow, you definitely feel it. Even if you're maybe a 1/4 inch away from the pillow, it still heats up your entire neck. And it's actually quite nice. I can definitely feel this being really nice when you're going camping or in the winter time. And then we're gonna go and do a test. We have a thermal temperature gun here, and we're on surface, so we're gonna see what it is without the heat, and then how quickly it turns to warmth. So right now, let's scan this. It's a little warm because we had this on, but let's just scan this right here. 26. Let's go here. Yeah, so it's a little warm because we had this on a second ago, but we're at 31.5 and then about 26. So let's turn this on. We're gonna go on the lowest setting, which should be about 40 Celsius. Now I'm gonna see how, okay, so right away it starts to turn on. It's warm. You can feel the heated pad, which are right here. Okay, so it's heating up. All right. So let's see how warm it is now. So we're just gonna scan this. It's at 32.1 right now. $35. So I think overall the whole surface gives you about 35. Let's crank this up right now to the, let's go to the red, because it goes between 40 and 50, 50 being on the red level. Yeah, so you can definitely feel the warmth right away pick up. So let's see if this registers. See that? 40.3. So definitely hiked up by 5. Yeah, and if you actually lie down, it's a lot warmer. So let's go and do this. See that? 43.2. $45.6. So eventually it's going to, I think, get up to about 50. But altogether, again, when you lie down, you can feel the heat radiating about 2 inches off. Like right here, I can feel the heat. So this pillow definitely works. It heats up really quickly. And again, it will soothe your neck, relax you a little bit. And it works in a power bank, which means you can take it camping with you. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful.
All right, so this